Okay, guys, so now we are going to start with our part number 2, which is going to be Python Lambda functions. Python Lambda functions. Now, in this, we are going to learn about Python Lambda function with 1 parameter, with 2 parameter, with 3 parameter, as well as with the conditional statements. Now, guys, first of all, what is this Lambda function? What is it? Right? So just listen to me carefully, guys. Don't look at the screen. Just listen to me carefully, everyone. Now, imagine. Give me a sec, guys. Yeah. Imagine you are an event planner. Imagine you are an event planner and you often need to make quick decisions like assigning guests to different seating sections, determining if a performer is available based on the event's timing, calculating ticket discounts for attendees based on their age. Now, you could write detailed instructions for each task, or else you could just use quick notes that instantly solve these problems without drafting the lengthy guidelines. So, which one will be much better for you? Detailed instructions for each task or the quick notes? Detailed or quick notes? Tell me which one will work better for you guys. Tell me, guys. Which one will work better? Okay, Anu just saying quick notes. Somya is saying quick notes. What about others? Detail. Okay, Nitesh. Okay. If I will say about the time, if I will say in the terms of time, then which will be better? Then which will be better, guys? Quick one, right? Quick notes, right? That will instantly solve my problem. So in Python, that quick note is lambda function. In Python, that quick note is lambda function. A short, give me a second, I will just write it with my hand. A short, anonymous, function that can perform simple tasks efficiently without needing to define full definition function. There is no need to define this full definition function in the lambda function. Okay. Now, let's just read it from there as well. Now, the lambda function, they are small anonymous function in Python that are defined using the lambda keyword. They are used to write quick one-line functions without giving them any name. Now, what is going to happen? Just give me a moment, please. Thickness is better, color black. Now, first of all, they are concise and readable. They reduce the need of defining the full functions when performing the simpler tasks. They are quick to write. They are useful for the small tasks because only one-line functions they are, no? Especially when used in line with another functions. Do you remember list comprehension? Do you guys remember list comprehension from a previous class? Where I was using a loop inside a if statement, inside a list, right? So the same thing, inline function. Inside one line only, when I'm writing a function, I can just write a function inside a function as well. That will become a function comprehension. I will show you guys that. And no namespace pollution. You don't even have to give the name. They are remaining unnamed. So they are not going to clutter your code base as well. Okay. And now let's come to the syntax and the structure of the lambda function. Let me just clear it out first. First of all, basic syntax is lambda argument expression. Lambda, here it is a keyword. Argument are the inputs to the function, and the expression is the operation or the computation performed on the arguments. So in simple words, what I can say is expression is the logic. Expression is what? Logic. Expression is the logic or the calculate or the calculation. Or the calculation performed. Result will be automatically returned here. You don't have to do anything extra. Result automatically you guys will get. So guys, this is your lambda function. First of all, you just let me know, guys, are you all clear with the definition? Are you all clear with the definition, guys, of the lambda function? Please let me know yes or no. Everyone is clear? Great. Okay, everyone. So now let's compare. Because diff function, you guys all know, na? In the previous week, we have learned about the diff. This is also keyword with which we can just create the user-defined functions. Now, how this diff and lambda are different? Let's compare them doubling a number. So first of all, guys, what we are going to do, I'm going to compare diff and lambda for doubling a number. Here's how you can use both of them to create the function that doubles a number. First of all, what I'm going to use diff. First of all, guys, I'm going to use diff. So for diff, what is going to happen? No, just put diff, double. It is very easy. So I'm typing it. In the another ones, I'm going to copy paste the codes as I have told you guys earlier. Okay. What I will do, I will just return x. You have to double it, right? So multiply by 2. It will get doubled. Now come out, you have to call the function. Result is equals to, the name of the function is double. Inside the parentheses, just put the number what you want to double. I want to double the number 4. And just print the result. I hope everyone remembers this diff function. We have already learned about this in a previous week, guys. Great. Now let me just run it. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer will be 8. 4 multiplied 2, 8. That will be 4 plus 4, the double answer. Yeah, you can say like that also, Saswat, but multiply by 2 also will double only that number, no? Double the number. I'm not saying squaring the number. That will be that much times you're going to add it. Okay? Yeah, not at all a square. Now, guys, if I want to do the same with lambda now. If I want to do the same with lambda now. What I will do? Double is the name of the function. Double is the name of the function. We have learned about all of this in a previous week, Ankita. Name of the function. Okay? Yeah. Now I'm going to use a lambda function to do it. Now with the help of lambda function, how will I do? How will I do it with the help of lambda function now? Let me show you guys that. So first of all, as the syntax says, you need lambda keyword. You need lambda keyword. You need an argument. Then colon, you need the expression, the calculation, x multiply 2. This is how you're going to do it. But you are going to do it inside a variable. Just put it inside a variable. And now just print double. On what number you want to apply it, just put that inside the parenthesis and run it. It is unnamed. It is unnamed. But here, what is happening? This double, the variable name is acting as the function name over here for lambda. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear how we do the same thing with a lambda with one parameter? Ankita, what is happening over here? First of all, lambda keyword. Just follow this. Just follow this. The basic syntax which I have just told. Follow this. Lambda keyword. How many arguments? Only one thing. Only one thing I'm passing. Colon. The equation with which you will get the answer. And put all of this inside. Put all of this inside a variable. And just print that variable name along with the number you want the double of. Previously, I was getting the answer with 4 lines. Now I'm getting the answer with 2 lines only. Okay? Yes, it is reducing. It is reducing. Okay? Great. Now, guys, after that, I'm having one more example for all of you. That you're building an application where users need to find the square of a given number. Now, instead of creating regular functions using def, you use a lambda function to perform this operation quickly. So, this time, how will you do it? Just like that. Take a variable name inside that, take lambda, the argument, multiply x square. X square, because double asterisk sign works for the power, x power 2. That means x square. Yes, that will also be fine, Saswat. And just print square 5 and you will get your answer. Everyone clear till this point? Everyone clear till this point? Great. Now, guys, here comes the key differences between def and the lambda function. Please go through it and let me know once done. You can say like that, Saswat. Yes. You can say like that. Everyone done with this key difference? Everyone done with this key difference, guys? Should I move forward? And the speed is okay now? If anyone is finding my speed to be fast, let me know right now. Let me know right now, guys. Because I guess the speed is okay because I can't be very, very slow and I can't be very, very fast in the class, right? The speed is okay. Can I get a quick response from everyone? Great. Okay, everyone. So now we are going to learn about lambda with two parameters, lambda function with two parameters. Now, format the employee names for a report. You are generating a report for a company where each employee's first and last name needs to be combined into a single formatted string for a display. So, how we are going to do it with the help of lambda function, like this. So, first of all, as always, take a variable name. Inside that, put lambda. Now, this time I am having two things, first name and last name. So, two parameters. So, just put two parameters with the help of commas. First, comma, last. Then, colon. How you want to print it? Just put that equation. I want to print it like first, then last. With the help of what? F string formatting I am. Is everyone with this first line? Is everyone clear with this first line? That what I have done? First the variable name, then the lambda keyword, then both the parameters separated by the commas, colon, F string format with the help of F string formatting, how you want to print it. Everyone clear? When you can just do it over here in the simplest way, then why will I do it over here? And also in the print statements, I'm taking only the variables, only the parameters. Only the parameters. That is why I'm not putting it inside the print statement, I'm putting inside the lambda. Okay, Soumya? It is a shortcut, right? And just in print statement, what I'm doing? Put the variable name and inside that just put the two names, first name and the last name. You will get the answer. And just like how we use a div, multiple times reusable. I can use it also multiple times. It is also reusable, guys. See, 2 times I'm using it. Yes, Supriti, tell me, ask your question, please.
Hello. Yeah, ma'am. So
Just
I was writing the same code here, and
mm-hmm.
Gemini just suggested a line. The if string part, it suggested first dot title and last dot title. What does that dot title part mean?
Sorry, just give me a second. Actually,
Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, there's in the first line you see the if string part, the
Mm-hmm.
first and last in the curly bracket. So
Yeah.
Gemini suggested first dot title and last dot title. So I am just curious about the dot
Oh, it
title.
is using the title function. Well, what happens with title function? It just takes the first part. If you are putting Alice Johnson together over here, na, so it will just take Alice from the first, and if you are putting two names over here, it will just take Johnson from that. The first name from the string. Okay,
Sorry,
Supriti?
can you please elaborate again? Could not understand.
Just give me a second. Na. I will just open my Gemini over here. Give me a sec. I will show you. Please elaborate title function in this quote. My Gemini is working. Just wait for this. See, sure, I can elaborate. So, what will happen? Format name, first and last. This defines a lambda function and assigns it to the variable. Now, what if I want to use title function? Use it like, give me a moment. Like this only you're saying, right, Subradeep?
Yeah, but there will be single brackets.
Oh, got it. Like this, see? You have got the answer over here, right?
Yeah.
Run this, you will get the same answer only. You will get the same answer only. So, now explain what title is doing. Like this, you guys can use your AIs over here. I'm just elaborating it with the help of it this time, okay? You can check your answer this time. See, the title. It is a string method. It returns a new string where the first character of each word is capitalized and the rest of the characters are in lowercase.
Okay, got it.
Can you
So it
see
is
this?
just used for,
I am
yeah, yeah.
having John as a small, J is small. It became capital J because I just ran with the help of title, no? It will just convert into a title format, nothing else.
Got it, got it.
Got it? Great. And guys, I have showed you guys one more trick today, that how you guys can use your Gemini in the Google Colab. Interesting trick, no? That's great, Supradeep. Sorry, Saswat. Now, guys, so one parameter lambda and two parameter lambda is clear to everyone, no? One parameter lambda and two parameter lambda is clear to everyone, right? Okay, so now let's jump to the three parameter lambda. This time I have to calculate the total score of a student in an exam. You are developing a grading system where you need to calculate the total marks obtained by a student across three subjects: math, science, and English. So how I'm going to create this one this time? It is going to be the same only, guys. It's just that I will first of all take the variable name lambda, separated by the commas, three parameters, math, science, and English, and just add them. And this time, as you guys can see, I am just putting them inside the parentheses so that my compiler will not get confused, okay? And just print the total score and the marks inside the parentheses, whatever you guys want to do. And you will get your answer. This is lambda with three parameters. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Lambda is easy, right? Lambda is very easy, no?
Ma'am, we
Yes.
can we keep the math plus science part plus English part uh, outside parentheses as well? It is working.
Math plus what? Outside parentheses, what you want to do?
I mean, can we skip the parentheses because
Yeah.
it is working?
Give me a second. No? I can totally skip the parentheses. Parentheses, why I have put now? The reason was if I want to put a longer equation, because it's not like I can just use one, two, or three parameters. I can use multiple over there. And sometimes my equation can be like this. Math plus science, but I want to subtract the English marks. Then I have to use a parenthesis now. So for that case, I just use this parenthesis to be on the safer side. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Got.
Yeah. Yes, it is not messy and it is very easy. Now, guys, here comes why to use lambda function instead of regular defining function. Use lambda function when you need a simple one-line function for a quick task, especially if it is not going to be reused elsewhere in your code, only in that. And use regular defining function when the task is more complex, involves multiple operations, or will be used multiple times across your code. Regular functions are better for maintaining the readability and making your code much more structured. This is when you guys are going to use lambda and your simpler functions.
So
So
means
let's do some examples. Yeah.
means for while loop we cannot use under lambda.
Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Huh? Okay, you were saying something, Nitish?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
means we have a for loop, while loop, right? If
Mm-hmm.
else, so we cannot use under lambda because
I
those
will
are
show.
complex, right?
Just wait for a little. I'm going to show you that how you can use if statement inside your lambda. Okay, I'll show. Give me a sec. Is someone playing music? Give me a I'm so sorry about that, guys. My phone got connected with my headphones. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah. So I was saying, guys, that I'm going to show you guys that how it is going to work. Okay, don't worry about it. So first of all, we're going to learn about using the def function for the classifying numbers. We are going to use the def function for classifying the numbers. Okay. Now, guys, to classify the numbers in the def function, what can I use? Inside a def function, what can I use inside a def function? Can anyone let me know? Can anyone let me know what can I use inside the def function? Come on, guys, answer me. Can I use if and else statement? Can I use if and else statement? If x is greater than 0, it is positive. If x is not, then negative. And then I can just call the function by its name and print with the help and print it either positive or negative depended upon my number, right? But how can I do the same thing with the lambda function now? How can I do the same thing with lambda function now? So the same thing I can do with lambda function with if statement. Yes, with if statement only I can do the same thing again. But how in lambda? Just like that. First of all, take the variable lambda. Only one parameter is there, no? Only one number you're guessing. So x only. Only one number. A, B, C, D. Anything you guys can take. Call it. So what is happening over here? I am just writing it for you guys. True part. If condition else default. First of all, the part you want it to get true, then if, then put if, and the part and the condition. What happened? I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yeah, like this. The part you want to become a true, after that else, and put the default part, and put the default part. Yeah, no need. No need. This is a syntax. This is inline. This is known as inline, Rishu. Yes, and only in one line. See, only in one line. The whole thing only in one line. Lambda, parameter, colon, positive if x greater than 0, else the answer will be negative. Yes. And then just print, classify, and the numbers you want. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Let me run that for you guys also. So what happens? Lambda, parameter, colon. Positive, the answer of the if statement. The answer of the if statement will come first, then if, condition, else, and the default answer at the end. This is how it is going to be sent out. The answer of the if, the condition if, else, and the default part. Now clear, Anuj? It's fun, right? Told you guys, this lambda is going to be very fun. So guys, this is how you guys can do multiple.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can write it in reverse, right? Like negative if x less than 0, else positive.
Yeah, you guys can do it. That depends upon you, that how you want. If statement's answer will be in the first. That depends upon your if statement and its condition now, that what you guys want to get your answer. Okay? Great. It's great, right, Soumya? Now let's do one more example. Let's do one more. Okay. Now using def function to check even or odd number. How will I get to know that the number is even? How will I get to know if a number is even? Anyone? Anyone?
Percentage of 2 equal to 0.
Yes. If x% 2 is equal to 0, then the answer will be even. Otherwise, answer will be odd. If I want to do it with the simple def statement, this is how I will get my answer. But now, how will I do it with the help of lambda? With the help of lambda, how will I do it now?
Probably lambda odd underscore even.
Yeah. I will do it like that. Check even odd, the name of the variable. After that, lambda x even. If the answer of the if, even is going to be first. Even is going to be before if. Yes, very good, Anuj. Then if statement. the condition else, and the default answer. This is how we will get our answer in the form of lambda. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, we have to put lambda x of colon. We have to put a colon there, right?
Yeah, colon is important.
Very good. Okay. So even has to start with the like capitals.
That is not the issue. You can put it like that also because it is inside the quads only, no?
Yeah. Okay. 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 Okay.
I mean, actually, right now it will be a little difficult for you, but you just need a little practice for that. Lambda is most easiest function, I would say. You just need a little patience and little practice.
Ma'am,
Just
ma'am, 1 minute. So if you are going to print check underscore even underscore odd, the number you put it as a 4, right? If the outsider has to put, we have to ask them to write the integer, right?
yeah, but it is lambda now. It basically we are going to use it for the easiest ones.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay, yeah. Easy, right? Don't worry. Great, great, great. Yeah, chances of errors are very less over here. And now, guys, the last topic for this particular part, the difference between lambda function and the regular defining function. Please go through this, guys, and let me know once you guys will be done. Give me a sec, guys. I'm sharing the notebook. Give me a sec. I'm sending in WhatsApp also. Give me a sec, okay? Yes, Saswat, you're correct. You're correct. I'm sending on WhatsApp. Give me a second. Now my WhatsApp is loading. I've sent. You guys can check on WhatsApp as well. Have it. Most welcome, Renal. Okay, so now everyone done? Everyone done with this difference over here, guys? Everyone done with this difference over here? Great.
Ma'am, in the last one, you are telling that adding two numbers directly, right? That means here it is telling that adding the two numbers with a function. That means we don't have to give any function. We have to put it in a brackets. It will automatically sum it, right?
Yes, yes.
So we have to put that as lambda dot x colon, and then we have to put sum and the
Yeah.
number.
Yeah.
Very good. Thank you.
Just A plus B, no? You
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
have
yeah.
to do anything else.
Yeah. That means all the things it will be done inside itself. There is a no function
In
has to be
single
tell
line
to them.
only it will happen. You don't have to write down the extra 4-5 lines.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, most welcome. So guys, in this particular part, what we learned about the lambda functions, which is the shorter and the efficient version of the function for the quick calculations. We learned about 1 parameter, 2 parameter, and 3 parameter lambda functions. When to use them, how to use them, everything we learned. Now guys, we are done with the part number 2, and now I'm giving you guys a little break. So right now, guys, it is 8:48. So I'm giving you guys the break till 8:55. Anuj, I will give you guys the whole homework at the end. Don't worry about it. I will give you guys the whole homework. Hey, please, Meenakshi, put yourself on mute now. Yeah. Okay, everyone. So now you guys can have your little break till 8:55 and then we will start again. And I will be on it. Okay? Great. Don't worry about that, Saswat. Not everywhere, I would say, Aswin. Wherever there is an easy task, you can definitely skip diff and use lambda function. For the simpler tasks, you can use. For the complex tasks, diff is there, but for the simpler ones, no need to use diff. Lambda will work. Okay, Aswin? Yeah. Okay, Aswin. So now I'm giving you guys a break. Please just relax for 5 minutes and then we will start at exact 8:55 again. Sneha, it's your Google account. You have to log in your Google account again in your phone or wherever you are opening it. You have to log in your Google account again over there, then only you will be able to do. Because with the help of email only you will be able to access it, no? That is why. Okay, Sneha? Yeah. Okay, everyone, break is over. We are going to start with the next part now. Everyone, break is over. Is everyone here? Great. Very good, Saswat. Very good. Okay, everyone. So now we are going to start with the part number 3, that is going to be Python map. That is going to be Python map. So in this, we are going to learn about the map function in Python with example, map function with multiple lists, with multiple tuple. We are going to learn about all of this. And also, we are going to learn about some additional examples that can be performed with the help of map function. Now, what is this map function? What is this map function? I'm saying just again and again, map, map, map. What is it? So, as I'm saying function, so you guys must have guessed that it is going to be a very powerful built-in function in Python that allows us to apply a particular function to each item in a sequence. Now, what is a sequence? What is a sequence? Give me a second. Yeah. List is a sequence. Tuple is a sequence. Dictionary is a sequence. They all are a sequence. Yes, hierarchy or a order. Without using a loop. Without using a loop. I'm not going to use any kind of loop. Aren't they called the collections? So sequence of collections only they are, na? Anush, they are the sequence of collections only, no? Collection which is in a sequence. Without using any kind of loop. I'm going to apply a function to each and every item in a sequence. How? With the help of map function. Guys, have you ever seen that conveyor belt? In factories, there are conveyor belts, no? One by one, the item is coming over here, like this boxes are coming one by one and they're moving. And automatically, they all are getting sealed because one machine is there on the top. Have you ever seen that? Seen in airports, no? So automatically all the work is happening, the boxes are coming, they're getting sealed and then getting packed. One by one it is happening, right? So guys, just like that only it works. In a sequence, everything is coming and on everything the same thing is getting applied. That is map function basically. So it applies a specific operation to each item in a collection, like a list, and returns a new collection with the results. For example, to double each number in a list, map can quickly apply the operation without needing a loop. It takes a function, the operation, and the collection, processes each item and returns the updated values. Now, what is the purpose of using this map now? Why the hell I'm using this? Because of the efficient transformation. I don't have to even use the loop. It is getting transformed. Each and everything in my loop, in each and everything in my iterable. Yes, to skip using the loops. It is getting transformed without a loop. Concise code. So obviously, loop I'm not applying, so my code will become concise, very, very small, shorter and cleaner. It will improve my readability as well. clearly shows the intent of applying the function to all the items. And it will also support the functional programming. It will work well with the function with the lambda expression for the quick data processing. For the quick data processing. Okay, so before moving forward, I would just like to know, is everyone clear? Is everyone clear with the definition of map and the purpose of using map? Can I get a quick response from each and every one of you? Great. Now, guys, we will learn about the basic syntax. Okay, okay, give me a second, huh, guys? I am, Zuleika is asking me to explain again the definition. Zuleika, I will give the same example again. Have you ever seen that conveyor belt? The conveyor belt, boxes are coming. There is one machine, they're getting labeled and then getting packed. One by one, it is happening to each and every box without any missing thing. Right? Here, there is no loop and all. Everything is coming in a sequence, everything is coming. Everything is happening. So just the same way map function is going to work. I don't have to use any kind of loop. Everything in my list, in my tuple, in any kind of sequence, one function I want to apply, everything will get applied to each and everything one by one with the help of map function. Are you clear? Are you clear, Zuleika? This is the definition of map function. Great. Most welcome. Now,
Ma'am,
yeah,
ma'am, can we create a dictionary using this?
can we create a? Give me a second.
Dictionary.
Let me just. Yeah. Now say. Now say. What were you saying?
Ma'am, can we create dictionary using this?
Yeah, you
Map
can
function?
do that. In that also, we are having a sequence now. I
Yes,
will
ma'am.
show you. After that, you guys can try. If you guys
Okay.
will be having any issues, you can just post that in the group. I will help you guys over there as well after the class. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so what I was telling you guys about now, I was telling you guys about the syntax of the map. Map function allows the syntax. Map, obviously, it is a function, so parenthesis is important. No. The function, what thing you want to apply? Operation to apply to each item. It can be a built-in, user-defined, or a lambda function as well. And the collection, list, tuple, whatever, on whatever you want to apply. Just name that over here. Now, let's do it with the help of an example only so that it will become much easier for you guys. Now, imagine you have a list of numbers and you want to create a new list where number is doubled. Instead of writing a loop to achieve this, you can just use a map function, simpler and easier code, right? So what will you do? You can start with a list of a number, guys. First of all, what you have to do, you just have to write down. First of all, you have to write down a list. This is my list, and list is having the square brackets separated by the commas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doubled. Map. According to it, first of all, the function. It can be user-defined, built-in, and lambda function. So I'm using lambda. Lambda x colon x multiply to double comma. On what you want to apply? I want to apply it on my numbers list. Just print doubled. Just print doubled. Yes, X is the iterable that represents each number of the list named numbers. You're correct, Saswat. Now, guys, right now, I have commented the slide. As you guys can see, I will just run it. You guys can see map object at this particular position, this particular space. I'm not getting the answer, no? So if I want my answer to get printed, what I have to do, I have to just convert it into the list. And I will get my answer over here. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts, anyone? Anyone wants me to explain again? As I have told, it can be user-defined also. As I have told, it can be user-defined also, Saswat. So what basically you can do, just create a user-defined function first. Here, before only just create a user-defined function and just put a name of the user-defined function here. Okay. Right now, as this time we are focusing on lambda, so mostly I'm going to use lambda with this map function in today's session. Okay. So what is happening over here, Soumya? I'm just starting with a list and then I'm using a map function. So it is a function, as I have told, parenthesis is important. Inside the parenthesis, what will come? Function. I'm using lambda function. Comma, collection. What is the collection? The name of the collection is numbers. And I'm getting my answer. First of all, I'm just printing the doubled. I'm getting the space. I'm getting the particular position where it is going to be. But I'm not getting the answer. For that, I have to convert it into a list. And I will get my answer. Is it clear now, Soumya? Is it clear now, Soumya? Just go with the flow of the syntax and you guys will be able to write down the codes. Everyone is clear? Yes, you guys can. Let me show you guys one thing more. If I want to use it without map, how will it happen? With map, you guys have seen the easier part now. Now see how it will happen with the without map now. List of numbers. Take a empty list, doubled. Apply a loop for x in numbers, double dot append with what? Multiply by 2 and just print the doubled. See? This is easy or this is easy? I have already told now, Saswat, we can. Just apply a def function before and use the name of the function inside it. I have clearly mentioned that we can use user-defined function also. User-defined, built-in, or lambda, any kind of function we can use inside map. Map function is more easy now. Most welcome, Saswat. So tell me, guys, is everyone clear till this point? Any doubts? Map is more convenient now. Any doubts, anyone? Anything you guys want me to explain again? Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Great. So now we will move forward. Great, that is great. And guys, one more thing which I want to just make sure after the class also, if you guys are practicing and you guys are getting any doubts now, don't wait for the session to start. Put that in the WhatsApp group. As you guys can see now, you guys get the answers very quickly in the WhatsApp group now. So don't wait for it. Just put your answers over there. Just put your questions over there. You guys will get the help immediately. Now, I'm having an example add shipping fee to the product prices. Now you want to add a fixed shipping fee, that is rupees $5 to each price. So guys, what will you do? Just get a list again. Just get a list again with the product prices and just put what? Final prices. List. Here what I was doing the list afterwards. So what I can do, I can just put the list function first, then map function, and then inside the map function I can put everything. First list function, then map function, and inside that lambda function I'm using. And after that, the product prices. Okay, tell me, are you guys getting confused or is it okay? Or is this equation okay for you guys? Are you guys getting confused with this or is it okay? Okay,
What is that x plus 5, ma'am?
because I want to add a $5 shipping fees. So X is going to represent each and every item from there, and X plus 5 means 20 plus 5, 45 plus 5, 70 plus 5, and 100 plus 5.
That means it is going to be a product underscore prices. Whatever the prices is up, that is going to be considered as X.
Yes. See, these are the X prices. These are the updated prices. Each got added in everything plus 5. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Don't worry, Rishu. Yes, Navya. I have already showed how to write it down without the lambda function. I have already showed. Without lambda, without map, I have already showed, Jadeep. Is everyone clear with this example? Is everyone
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
మధ్యాహ్నం పేరు కూడా
Yes, Jadeep. Yes, Jadeep. I guess he is having some network issues. Okay. Now, guys, what I was saying. Now, one list is done now. With one list, map function, lambda function, everyone is clear? With one list, everyone is clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, let's do multiple now. Let's do multiple list. Now, I want to combine first name and last names together. Imagine you have two lists, one with the first names and another with the last names. Your goal is to combine them to create a list of full names. So this time I am having two lists, guys. Let me just show you guys that. This time I am having two lists. First name list and second name list. That is your last name list. Okay. So what I will do, first of all, list, then map, lambda, first and last. Two things are there. No, this time I'm not working on one thing. I'm working on two things. Two lists are there. First is going to give me the names from the first names list, and last is going to give me the names from the last names list. Colon, first plus a little space. This means a little space between. And last. You guys can use the F string formatting as well. Comma, first names, comma, last names. And you will get your full names as answer. Rishu, what map function do now basically? So what map function do now basically, it is going to apply one function to each and everything in my iterable without using a loop. Without using a loop. As you can see over here, I'm not using any kind of loop. With just one line of code with the help of map function, I'm able to get this answer. This is what map function. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone out there that how I used Because without converting it to a list, I'm just getting the name of where it is getting stored. I'm just getting the default storage place where it is getting stored, Anuj. I'm not getting the proper answer. So that is why I have to convert it into a list so that I can get my output as a show that yes, this is my answer. Okay, Anuj? Is it clear? No worries, Rishu, no worries. Is everyone clear with this example? Is everyone clear with this example?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so that like if we want to add any list, so it
Yes.
is not only first and second. So we can put first, second, third, and put everything. Like the same way we have to write first plus colon, parenthesis, plus last, comma, whatever we are taking, first underscore
Yeah.
name, second
Yes.
name, third name, fourth name, whatever
Yes.
we can add it.
Yes.
Okay. 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 Thanks.
Most welcome. And guys, I'm asking again, I'm copy pasting the course today. It is okay for everyone, no? It is okay for everyone, no? You guys are able to cop up with me, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great, Sudha. Can I get validation from others as well? Yes, 2 parameters because I'm having 2 lists. 2 parameters because we are having 2 lists. Okay, Soumya? Yeah. So, enough with the list. Let's do something with tuples also.
I have one question.
Yes.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, Nitesh?
Hello, I'm audible?
Yes, yes. Tell me.
Yes, so in the output, we are getting a comma, right? Between names.
Yes. Because it is
So
a
we are
list.
not
That list is separated by the commas.
okay, okay. If we okay, as we are converting it to list, we are
Yeah.
getting comma.
Yeah, in the previous
Okay,
ones also, na, it is the numbers, but it is a list, na, and in list all the element is separated by the commas.
separated.
There also I'm
Yeah.
getting commas.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now I'm having multiple tuples with map. So guest list for a formal event. You are preparing a guest tuple for a formal event like a seminar or a gala. To ensure proper respect, you combine the titles like Dr., Mr., Miss with the last names to create the full names. This ensures invitations, name tags, and documents look professional. So this time, guys, nothing you have to do. Just instead of list, you just have to put tuple. Nothing else. Just see. Instead of list, I'm taking tuples, and instead of list, I'm putting tuple over here. See, tuple, map, lambda, title. For this particular tuple, name for this tuple. I'm using F-string formatting this time. I'm just getting the titles and names. See, is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? That how we can use it with multiple lists and multiple tuples? Okay, once again. Saswat, you're clear with the multiple lists, no? Saswat, you're clear with multiple lists, right? So the same way, just the multiple tuples, just take the tuple. Parenthesis, because tuples, we use the parenthesis, no? Titles tuple, names tuple. Combine both of them together. Full names, variable. Instead of list function, this time I'm taking a tuple because I'm working on tuples. Map function lambda. Title for the titles tuple, name for the names tuple. Then name, colon. With the help of F-string formatting, I'm just taking the format how I want it to be. And titles and the name of the tuples, and just print it. You will get your answer. Clear, Saswat? Clear, Saswat? Great. Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone? Most welcome, Saswat. Great, Supradeep. Great, Zulekha. Full name here, I'm taking tuple because this time I'm working on tuples, no? So tuple function, then map function. Inside that, with the help of lambda function, I'm just combining both of them together. Title for the titles tuple, name for the names tuple, colon with the help of f-string formatting. I'm just giving the format, how I want it to get printed. And the name of both the tuples here. Okay, Soumya? Okay, Soumya? Great. Any doubts, anyone in this particular part? Any doubts, anyone in this particular part? F is
Ma'am, tuples are going to be
f-string
there on
formatting.
brackets, right?
Sorry?
Tuples are going to be there on bracket, parenthesis, right?
Yes, tuples is parenthesis.
List is going to be normal.
List is square bracket.
Square brackets. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not using any function of tuples. If tuple you will not use, nothing will happen. It will get run. It's just that you will not get the answer. You will get again the default position. Okay, Rishu? And Navya, F is f-string formatting. I'm using f-string formatting. I'm using. Any doubts, anyone? Great. Okay, guys. So with that, our part number 3 is also completed. Let me just give you guys a quick recap, and then you guys can again take a 5 minutes of break. So guys, in this map function, what we do, in this particular part, what we have done, guys, we learned about the map function, a built-in function that allows you to apply a given function to each element in an iterable, like a list or a tuple. Like a list or a tuple. So we learned about what is a map function, benefits of using it, the syntax of it, and we learned about multiple examples, and also using map with multiple lists and multiple tuples. Now guys, your part number 3 is completed. So this time now, you guys can have a 5 minutes of break again. Okay, so break this time. Take a 10 minutes of break this time. We will start at 9:35 now. Now we will start at 9:35 and okay, most welcome guys. And guys, although we are done with the Saturday sessions content, but after 10 minutes of break, I'm going to start with the Sunday session content. Okay guys, I'm going to start with the Sunday session content. And don't worry, till only 10 p.m. I will teach you guys, and at the last 20 minutes, I will take all the doubts. Till 10 only I will teach. Okay, everyone. So you guys can now take your break at exact, it is 26. At exact 9:37, I will start. 9:37, I will start, and we will start with the Sunday session 1. Okay. Don't worry about it, Saswat. I am giving you guys a break. Okay, at 9:41 I will start. Okay, at 9:41 I will start. I know it can be a little overwhelming for you guys. Already you guys are there for the last 2 hours. So at 9:41 we will start. You guys can have a break. So don't worry about it. I'm not going to bulk you guys up with the work. It's just that tomorrow, if I will not start part number 4 today, tomorrow you guys will feel it, which you are seeing right now, na? I'm not going to bulk you up, guys. I'm just going to give you guys the heads up. Because oops is going to be very, very difficult. If I will just do oops tomorrow along with part number 4, then definitely you can get that overwhelmness in you. Because yes, oops is a very difficult concept. And I want the whole session to get concentrated on oops only tomorrow. And as today's map and lambda function was little easy for you guys, that is why I'm starting part number 4 today. Let's get overwhelmed today. That's great. That's great. Okay, first of all, now guys, what I'm doing, I'm just adding your homework over here. And this is the homework which you guys have to do for today. Yeah, oops is a real pain. This is the homework that you guys have to do for today. Okay. Part number 4, I'm going to start, but I'm not going to give you guys an homework. Homework I will give you guys tomorrow only for part number 4. Don't worry about that. So guys, now I'm going to start with the part number 4. But first of all, quick check, guys. Is everyone here? Is everyone here? I want full attention from each and every one of you. Is everyone here? Don't worry about that, Saswat. Don't worry. I just want you guys to practice. It's not like I'm giving homework and you guys have to give me that day only. I don't want that. I just want you guys to practice those questions for your own good. I'm not giving you guys any deadline and all. Okay? I just want you guys to practice. That's up to you. It's your pace how you guys are going to do it. Okay, everyone. So now we are going to start with the part number 4. Most welcome, Saswat. Now we are going to start with the part number 4. So Pradeep, the link is there on WhatsApp. Now I have sent you guys the link. In that only the homework link will be there. Or no, just let me do one thing. Problem statements. Let me take. Let it get loaded first. Copy. Over. Give me a second. It is getting loaded. I'm sending on WhatsApp also. I'm sending. Check your WhatsApp. Give me a sec, guys. What? Yeah, check your WhatsApp. I've sent. Got it? Great. Okay, everyone. So now we are going to start with the filter function of Python. Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. Yeah, let me just, yeah, now it's there. Yeah, it will come. It will come, guys, because it is getting recorded now. You guys will get it. Don't worry. Okay, guys. So now we are going to start with the part number 4, that is Python filter. So we are going to learn about what is Python filter function Python, and filter based on multiple condition. Along with there are some additional example which can be performed. I will let you guys know about it. Now, what is this filter function? What is this filter function? Okay, guys, don't think don't look here. Just tell me, just by the name itself, what is coming in your guys' mind? Just by the name itself, what do you guys think? What is filter function? Just by the name itself, what do you guys think? What is filter function? Tell me, guys. Just by the name itself, what do you guys think? What is filter function?
Maybe it's help to filter the data,
Yes, very good.
and we can apply the code of filter, like
Hmm.
how we do in Excel,
Yes.
and filter
Now,
out something.
yes, very good. So, guys, what was happening in map function? The function which I wanted to apply on each part was getting applied
Yes, it
one
is.
by one to each and everything. Now in filter, what if from a sequence I want to filter out some specific things? For that, filter function I'm going to use. Now, filter function, it is used to filter or extract the items from a collection, list, tuple, or set based on a condition. It goes through each item one by one, applies a condition defined by a function, and includes only the items that meet the condition in the result. That meets the condition in the result. What is the purpose of the filter? Main purpose of the filter is to create a new collection with only the elements that satisfy a specific condition. Only the elements you need without modifying the original one. This is especially useful, this is especially helpful when you need to work with a smaller subset of data that meets the certain criteria. Yes, you can say like that. So it is pretty similar to that. Now, again, benefits, readable and concise. Don't have to write down a much bigger code. In small code only you will be able to do it. Filter function makes your code shorter and easier to read compared to writing manual loops. Efficiency is there. It processes items one by one, which can be more memory efficient for the larger data sets. And functional programming style. Filter fits well with Python's functional programming tools like map function and reduce function. So is everyone clear with the definition? Is everyone clear with the definition? Great, great guys. Okay guys, so after that I'm having the basic syntax of filter function in Python. Now again, same thing as the map function, filter, the function, and comma iterable, and comma iterable. Same thing, function, a function that defines the condition to test each element. This function should return true for elements to keep and false for elements to discard. Iterable is a collection, can be a list, tuple, or a set. Now, let's do it with the help of an example. Filtering passing students by the marks. Now, a teacher has a list of students' marks. A teacher has a list of students' marks and wants to identify which students have passed the exam. I will show Anuj. Just wait for 5 minutes more. I am showing that. The passing criteria are marks greater than or is equals to 40. So first of all, guys, let me show you without any kind of shortcut. So what you have to do, you have to define a function, no? Find passing marks, passing score is 40. Default only I am adding passing list, empty list for mark and marks. If it is greater than is equals to passing score, then to append it into this passing list, which is empty, and return passing. So this is the function which I am creating. Everyone is clear with this function? Everyone is clear with this function? After that, what I'm doing? I'm taking a marks list. I am taking a marks list. And I'm calling this passing marks is equal to find passing marks and pass this list inside it. Original marks and the students who pass the exam. You will get your answer. This is without any shortcut. This is without any shortcut. Everyone is clear with this code? Everyone is clear with this code that how you guys can do it without any shortcut?
This is in general, however, whatever we learned till now.
Yes. Now, how to make it short? How to do it in an easier way? With the help of lambda function as well. With the help of lambda function with the filter function. First of all, as always, start with a list. Start with a list. What is the list here? Students' marks. Then use the filter function with the lambda function. Passing marks, filter, lambda, mark. Mark should be what? Greater than is equals to 40 from the marks list. Put the original marks and pass it into a list first, then only you will get your answer. Same answer with the help of filter and lambda. So which one is easier, this or this? With
Lambda and filter is very easier.
very easy, na? With shortcut it is easy, no? Lambda, obviously. So everyone is clear how we are using filter function? Everyone is clear how we are using filter function? A bit? Okay, let's do one more example then. Let's do one more example, Anuj. Now I want to filter the high spending customers in an online store. Now an e-commerce store wants to identify the customers who spent more than $100 in the latest orders. These high spending customers will be targeted for the exclusive offers or the loyalty programs. For the exclusive offers and the loyalty programs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start with a list. I'm going to start with a list. What is this list?
Ma'am, I have a question. Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me.
Why aren't we using list here?
Why?
Oh, you use the list later. Okay,
Yes,
got it.
I am using the list later. Yes.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay, great. Okay, so what is this list containing? It is containing the money in dollars. What customer has spent. And what I have to get? Customer who spent more than $100. How will I get it? High spenders, the name of the variable. Filter function, lambda, amount, column. Amount for this whole customer spending, one by one it is going to check. Greater than what? 100. Customer spending. Name of the list. So 200 will come, 125 will come, and 300 will come because only they are greater than 100. So it just filtered out the customers who are going to get the exclusive offers or the loyalty programs. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Great. Great, guys. Now, I'm having one more filter based on multiple conditions now. Now, I'm having a scenario identifying top performers for the promotion. Identifying top performers for the promotion. A company wants to shortlist the employees for a special promotion. The criteria for eligibility are the employee must earn a salary of more than 50,000 per year. The employee must have at least 5 years of work experience. The HR department provides 3 lists: employee names, their salaries in thousands, and their years of experience. Using these details, the company filters out the eligible employees to create the final list of consideration. Final list of consideration. So, guys, what I have to do?
First, we
I
have to
have-
prepare the 3 list.
Yes, very good. So, what will be those 3 lists?
First is an employee name. The second was their salaries. And the third one is the year of experience.
Very good, Sudha. Employees' names, salaries, and the years of experience. These 3 lists we will get. Okay? Now, this question is a little tricky, so listen to me carefully, guys. Now, use filter function to find the employees with salary greater than 50 and experience greater than 5. So, eligible employees, filter function, lambda. I for what? I for what? Salaries. I only for the salaries right now. Salaries, I greater than 50. And now, experience I. What this I is doing now? This I is going to work for both salary and experience. For salaries I, and for the experience I, both. For the experience I greater than what? 5. Comma, range. Why range? Yes, it is the initialization of
years.
it. Yes. Why range? Because I have to start from 0. Because I have to start from 0. Because I'm taking this over here, this I, in square brackets, which indicates what? Which indicates what? Indexing. Which indicates what? Indexing. Range, length of employees. What is the length of employees? 5. So what will be the range? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you guys clear with this line? Are you guys clear with this line? Yes. First of all, filter function, lambda I. This I is going to work for both of my lists now. That is salaries and experience. Salaries, I. It should be greater than 50 as my question says. And because both should be true. Because both should be true. Experience I greater than 5. Range, why? Because I'm using I in the square brackets, which means indexing. Length of the employees. What is the length of the employees? That is 5. So what will be the range? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which goes as my indexing also. Now, is everyone clear with this line? Is everyone clear with this line?
Ma'am, actually, you told that like we have to give a I. So, for example, we are using that I for all the 3 components, right? For the like lambda I and then salary I. Will the computer will treat these variables as different iterables?
Yeah, these are different iterables only because I'm giving the names, no?
That is before that in square bracket you are giving, that is a different one when
Yeah.
compared to lambda I.
Yes. I'm using I for the basically the indexing part. Yes, Soumya, it is important because I need indexing over here. It is important. Range is important. I'm asking again, is everyone clear till this point?
Can you
Is
explain again
everyone
why we have used range code?
range? I am telling you again because I'm using indexing. Because I'm using indexing. So with range, length of the employees is 5. What will be the range? Range 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. One by one, I will get my answer. Is it clear now, guys? Is it clear now, guys? Can I have a quick response? Anuj? Anuj, I'm providing the whole range now. So first it will check 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. This is the beauty of using these functions. I do not have to use any kind of loop. Automatically, they will iterate.
So
Okay,
that means
Anuj?
it directly takes the employees and experience and salaries together if you put the range.
Yes, yes. Now clear, everyone? Any doubts still, please let me know. Yes, Saswat. Any doubts, anyone?
Ma'am, hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, is it necessary to use the I and iterate? Use it,
See, what I'm using multiple lists, right? So to not make it confusing, I'm just using one parameter. And that one parameter, what is this? The index of the list, because all my lists are of same size. Okay, that is why I'm using range. So that when salaries 0 index will get counted, in experience 0 index will also get counted. Both of them will work simultaneously. Is it clear now, Supradeep?
yeah, clear, but I did something else, like I did list, then filter, then lambda employee salary experience, then the condition will be salary
Send
greater
me
than
your
50
code in
and
the chat
experience greater
box
than
now,
5.
Supradeep.
I'm sending you the photo. Can you please check it out?
Yeah, send me the code. Yes, you're correct, Saswat.
Uh, Ma'am, we have to use the I only. That means I is for indexing, right?
Yes.
So we have to use that name only, not anything X or something else. No, only I.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Anuj, yes, I'm telling you once more. So what is happening over here? Filter, function, lambda. I am taking for the indexes. Salaries, I, which is going to work as the indexes over here. And experience I, again the indexes, and range. So that it can iterate. Range of the length of employees. How much? 5. Range 5 will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. For all of that, it is going to work. Now clear, Anuj? Now clear, Anuj? Don't worry, Saswat. Anuj, that is what I have answered. No, that is what I have answered. Why I am using lambda? Because I don't want to use any loop. That is the first thing I taught in the class today. Because we do not want to use any kind of loop. It will automatically iterate. Okay,
Ma'am,
Anuj?
can you please show me the yeah. No, no, I was just asking for the, yeah, the code. Yeah, got it. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I made some mistakes and it was throwing errors. So yeah.
Okay, no problem. Anuj, is it clear? Most welcome, Anuj. Most welcome. Yes, yes, Soumya, you're correct. You're correct. Now, guys, the last thing, get names for eligible employees. So, what I'm using over here, list comprehension. So, what I'm using over here, I'm using list comprehension. I'm using list comprehension. So employees I, which means starting from 0 for I in eligible employees. So one by one, they will get printed and you will get your answer as Jane and Tom. Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? Any doubts? Okay. So guys, with that, our filter function is also completed and our part number 4 is also done. Now, if there is any doubts, you guys can let me know. Guys, any doubts, please let me know. Guys, I'm asking something. Any doubts, anyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, like we can do whatever we want in this, right? Like in this question, we are telling that greater than 50 and greater than 5 years of experience. If we want greater than 40 and greater
Yeah,
than
that
3 years,
depends upon
yeah,
you. Yeah,
yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
depends upon you. However
So that
you,
means it has to be changed. The number has to be changed with the same thing.
that depends upon you, na? Years of experience, how much you want to take and all. That depends upon you.
Yeah,
Totally.
that's what I'm telling. That means if you want to change it, salary I is greater than or equal to
Yes.
40,
Yes.
and then experience I is greater than or equal to 3, then we will get the results.
Great. Okay, everyone. So now I'm seeing. Yeah, sure. You guys can ask the doubts in the tomorrow session. Now, guys, I'm sending you guys. I have sent you guys the feedback form. Did you all receive it? Did you all receive the feedback form?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And guys, I hope everyone is clear that why today's session was a little lengthy. I hope you guys didn't got very overwhelmed today. Did you guys enjoy today's session? Tell me. Did you guys enjoy today's session? Guys, after a break, it was good. Great. And
Ma'am,
guys,
basically it is a wrap up of all the things, whatever we learned till now. It is a
yes,
very shortcut of
yes.
whatever it is there.
Yes, yes. And guys, I have one little request to all of you. If you guys didn't find any kind of issues, any kind of mistake in the session, so please only give excellent in the feedback. And if any other feedback is there, good, average, or bad, please do provide the proper comment in the feedback so that I can improve myself. Okay. And guys, again, I am telling you guys why the session was a little lengthy and why we have started 7:30 p.m. Half an hour before, because tomorrow we are going to learn about oops, and oops is going to be a little difficult. So that is why I have started 7:30 p.m. and that is for this week only. Now, guys, please Now, guys, everyone, please just fill your feedback form, and I hope you guys understand why the session was a little lengthy today. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for understanding. Most welcome, guys. Yes,
Ma'am.
tomorrow will also be 7:30 p.m. And also, if there will be any change in the plan, you guys will get notified in your WhatsApp group. Okay, Aswin? Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. I have sent the form, ma'am.
Most welcome. Most welcome. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Good night.
Bye-bye. Good night. Thank you, Zulekha. Good night. Good night, Anuj. Everyone, please complete your feedback forms. Yeah, I know it can be, but I just wanted, because tomorrow session now we can totally focus on the oops part, right? It will not happen from the next weeks. Today only I wanted to do it because yeah, oops can be a little clumsy also, I would say. So yeah, tomorrow the whole focus will be on oops. Most welcome, Jadeep. Good night. Good night, Navya. Good night, Aishwarya. Meenakshi? Meenakshi, are you done with your feedback form? Tohidul? Yeah, I can understand. I can understand, Saswat. Okay, so now I will not take much time from all of you. Now let's just end the session and we will meet tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye.